things that surprised me that I learned was if it's grown in the state and it's regulated, it can only be sold in that state.
Correct.
And that's even the finished product.
Everything is within the state. So there are brands that are now coming up. There's a conference, MJ Unpacked, that's happening at the end of September.
Where's that?
It's in Las Vegas. They're just focusing on the brands. Like, one of the biggest problems I hear from people like you in the market is they don't know what to buy because there's no real strong brands. There are brands emerging, but every time there's a brand, they have to find a way to develop it in the state. They either have to get their own license, or partner with someone who has a license to grow or manufacture, depending on the state. And then they have to distribute within whatever the local state network is. They've gone from state to state. Every state, there's some brands that have come through, but not a lot have gone across state. They're trying, but...
So then, does that mean every brand has to, if they want to go to another state, they have to reincorporate and start a whole new company?
Well, they essentially have to have a separate, like, whatever. If they're growing, how they grow it has to be replicated in that state. So that kind of leads more towards greenhouse grows instead of outdoor grows, because we know in other food products, different climates, different soil, it actually does make a difference. So that more controlled grows in greenhouses.
Okay, so how does this? What happens next?
What happens next?
Yeah, does the industry consolidate?
Does
the law need to change?
I think there are people still going for licenses, both grow, manufacturing, or retail. I think that's going to continue. The roads still aren't built for people to get product, whether it be medical or whether it be recreational. Think about medical. Like, you're starting to see some states for workers' comp, instead of getting opioids, you can get a cannabinoid to take, and it's a lot less harmful. You're going to see health insurance. Some are now reimbursing for medical cannabis. So I think there's a whole bunch of markets that need to open up. There's a lot of legal uncertainty. To me, the two biggest, there's no capital in the market, and every state has its own laws. So, like, the legal, I love the fact that I have a national practice in cannabis, where I have 2 full-time regulatory people who all they do is look into cannabis issues, and every state's different.